Just another slow day of retracking. Going back to Wave 3, we've come across another Series 3 figure, Horn Blast Whirlwind of the Air Element. Looks better than I thought it'd be. All's left to find now is Scratch, and I'd be set for this element. Should have been going pretty well. And yes, I've recently got to check out what Skylanders Trap Team is going to be like. Sure, I'm looking forward to it. Just love the basic idea, capturing bad guys so you can use them for good. They are really on a roll here. Alright. Sticker sheet. And trading card. Strength at 75, defense at 40, speed at 65, and luck at 150. Alright. Now for the main attraction. If I can get it out. Series 3 Horn Blast Whirlwind. I'll say it again, looks better than I thought. The gold on Whirlwind looks pretty nice. Love what they did with the helmet and the horn. That's a nice update. Sure can't wait for that Series 3 Special Power, or Wow Pow, as they still call them. This has been a rather short but quick unboxing of Series 3 Polar Whirlwind for Horn Blast Whirlwind for Skylanders Swap Force. And I'm out. Peace.